Hello there. Just wait for a second, yeah? Let me set up my stream. Stream is not working. It might work on because I'm streaming multi-platform. I stream in Trovo, Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook. Like working. A quick one. Right. Alright. I'm all set. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about specifically how do you connect these two type of the walkie-talkie. Some of you have the UV5R, which is not this model. This is like UV9S, which is the newest model, I think. And the most popular one where most of the people is using right now will be the Baofeng 888, right? 888 is it? Maybe. There you go. Yes, 888S. Okay, confirm the model. This one will be yeah, UV5R. So how do you exactly communicate between these two walkie-talkie as this which particular channel that you communicate with? So today in this video I'm gonna list out I have listed out in a JSON file where the specific channel, you know, in Baofeng 888S we have like 16 channels, right? 16. So today I'm gonna show you like the first channel and the second channel. Let me show you my camera. So these are the so this is the first channel. So I'm gonna teach you guys like how to connect the first channel and the second channel. For the second channel is kind of easy because there are no specific range, the tone frequency to be set, and also this C tone frequency to be set. But unlike number one, you have to set it, but the number second is already set by default. So I'm about to show you. So let's use Baofeng. Turn to second channel. Up to it. Testing, testing. Kind of easy. You can do it anytime. Let's say let's up the which is now not able to connect. You can simply dial 462 62 225. Testing. So for the first channel will be 462. The only digit that keep changing will be the first digit, the third last digit. So this is channel 1 and this is channel 2 and channel 3, channel 4, and so on, which this is channel 4. See that? But I couldn't speak into it. Hello, hello, hello. But from Baofeng 888. Hello, hello. But I couldn't speak using this one because of the frequency settings that we have over here. Right. You might be thinking, how do I set all the settings? So I'm about to show you. Channel 2 is the less secured frequency, the less secured channels. Other words, anyone with this kind of walkie-talkie can access to your conversations easily. You see, with no security. Hello. So now I'm going to demonstrate the first channel. Hello. See that? Maximum value. Hello. No, not working. And hello. So how do I adjust this? First go to menu and search for the thing called not this one. TCTCS, which is the settings for this one. (69.3). So what you do, just set this 69.3. Save. 69.3. Hello. Now it works. Hello. Well, that's how it works. For those people who would like to save the channels or whatever, you can just click this and name your channel and click menu. In my case, I already saved this too. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, so I can switch from channel to channel. Whenever I connect to the first channel over here, and let's say I turn this to second channel, it will not interfere much. But if I switch back to the first channel, right? Sorry. If I turn this first channel, right? I think I need to redo because I forgot to turn on my camera here. So, right? I think I need to reset everything for the purpose of this video, for you guys to understand how exactly I connect. So, even though, let me clean this code. There you go. This is the first channel, right? Yes. So this is the number. I'm going to type like 462.125, which is the frequency for the first channel over here. And when I click push to talk, you're able to see, right? But I'm not able to speak into it. Hello. But I think from Baofeng 888, you're able to speak into it. Hello, testing. But I'm not able to because of the settings that we need to adjust. As my screen suggests here, this is the value, like 69.3. So we are going to adjust 69.3 for this particular settings over here. So we just type 69.3, click menu for save. Sorry. If I do it correctly, now it should be working. And now it's working. Oops. What about? Hello. And now it is working, you see. So without losing the data and the settings or configuration, however you want to say it, if you want to use it in-house, remember to set these settings 5.0K. They will be much easier to receive the transmission. I don't know why, but well, it works better in 5.0K. So just click the number that you want to store as the channel's name or something. You can store up to like 123 maybe. In my case, there's no need for me to do it. I already store it into the memory. First channel, this is yeah, because I'm the one who assigned those. So for instance, if I change to second channel, I speak into the Baofeng 888 first channel, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. But whenever I turn to second channel and I change this to the first channel, right? You're able to see a little bit of feedback sometimes. So that's how you connect it. Testing, testing. Oh, it's a scan. It's in scan. Hello. Usually, me and my friend who are playing with this walkie-talkie, we use this two button to send Morse code. For Baofeng 8 will be these two buttons, which is sounded like this. First, you press the push to talk, then this one. Hello. Down. Same thing. It's gonna work from. I'm gonna load this with volume down and maximize. So what I do is click this and do this. That's another way of communication. Right. That's all for today. And for those people who would like to get the link and the configurations things form of yeah, you can go to GitHub gist and find my name. You will technically see every gist that I have. This is one that I copied from them a little bit. There are certain things, but I make it JSON file just in case for those people who would like to create a software for that. So you can use mine or use theirs. For those people who are developer, you can use mine because it's much easier. All you need to set is this frequency and this, and you're good to go. Rest are not important unless necessary. Thank you for watching. You can type in this address, but it's going to be taking long. So what you do, you can just type in Google saying that GitHub just John Melody, right? See my name. There you go. Oh, probably I just do it in a private window. See, you will see this and click on the one which is said Baofeng. Oh, come on. Wait. There you go. Let me refresh. There you go. From here you can download a zip file, you can embed it and share, or you can clone it, fork it, just to adjust any misinformation on here. Yeah, feel free to contribute. So that's all for this video. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye.